Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I decided the easiest way to get the pulley off the Briggs was to use the big puller. So I went and got it out of the garage and hooked it up and spent a little time fiddling with it, but once I got it on there, it came off pretty easily. Came loose. Look at that. It's going to slide right off. Spoke too soon. There we go. Piece of cake. 1 inch straight bore all the way through. Keyway down there knocked into the side of it. Shaft looks to be in good shape. Very happy. Set this engine back down on the ground. In order for the puller to work, you have to be able to push against the end of the shaft. With the locking bolt for the pulley being in the end of the shaft, it meant that I couldn't just jam the puller down into the bottom of the pocket. So I had to put the bolt in and try and pull it. Well, the bolt was too short to get the thing off, so I needed to have an extension made up. I went down the basement, cut a piece of bolt, came back up, started over. The attachment bolt is 7/16. This is 3/8. 3/8 is the tap size for a 7/16 thread. And the extension bolt that I was using before was this one. Now I've got a longer one. So we'll set this up. Back it out. See if that's far enough. Too far, actually. That's okay. I should have set that other motor like this. It was a lot easier to put the puller on with it sitting on its back. Well, that should have it most of the way out of there. If it doesn't have it all the way, I still got another piece of thread. There we go. Stub shaft sticks out there. 3 3/16. Just the same as the other one. Well, that's good. Slide right on.
The stop in the bottom of that thing sets it just exactly where I want it. It's perfect. This is going to bolt right up. Oh boy, that makes me feel good. That was a nerve-wracking thing to know that this might not fit. But slips right on there, goes up against the dead stop, just perfect. It's going to lock down just perfect. Okay. I'm going to have to go hammer this out. That slides on easy enough that I'm not going to put this on before I put the engine in. I got the dents cleaned out of the pulley enough that it should run just fine. It's not perfect, but it should be just fine. Now, I'm getting tired, and it's a good time to stop. You want to stop before you start making mistakes.
If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.